Asking staff and tenants to log requests is an important part of facilities management. But when that interface is confusing, poorly designed, or simply unfriendly, it's only a matter of time before staff stop using it, and small issues become big, expensive repairs. FMClarity incorporates a stylish and intuitive work order management system that takes the mystery out of submitting a work request. We want software to feel familiar, like the apps you use on a day-to-day basis. At FMClarity, we know there is no substitute for simplicity. The best work order system is the one that's so intuitive, everyone can use it. Because we've been there. We know FM. Contact us today for a demo.